There are times we might want to pass additional instructions or information after users might have installed and configured our package. We can achieve that using the instructions.md file, and in this lesson we will cover how to do just that. Remember when we were testing the package that after installation and configuration we had to register the middleware. The instructions.md file is a perfect place to pass or display such instructions or information. So let's create the instructions.md file in the root of our package, instructions.md. Then inside the file is where we will display any information or instructions we want to pass to the users after they might have configured our package. So we can display a success message followed by the instruction we want them to carry out. Something like the package has been configured successfully. Make sure to register the confirm password middleware inside the start/nl.ts file. Then we can add a code snippet of how the middleware registration is going to look like. Server.middleware.register named, then confirm password and import at ioc:/mazelabs/confirm password middleware. Just as we registered it then. Now we have all the information and instruction we want to pass to the user. What we need to do next is register this file, and we can do that inside the package.json file, inside the Adonis.js object. I'm going to add it here. The key will be instructions.md, and the value is going to be the instructions.md file inside the build directory. Lastly, we need to add it to the files array also. I'm going to duplicate this, and this is going to be instructions.md. For the file to be copied into the build directory, we need to add it to the copy files script we created in previous lessons. So in addition to copying the template files, we are also going to copy the instructions.md file. Now we can republish the package, and we should have the file inside the build directory. Next, let's update the package in our project. Then we'll configure it. You will notice we now have a slightly different output. So in addition to creating the config file and updating the .adonis rc.json file, we are getting an information that the package wants to display readable instructions for the setup, and we are prompted to select where to display the instructions. We can either select to display the instruction in the browser or in the terminal. This is happening because of the instructions.md file that we just added. I'm going to select to display the instructions in the terminal. And as you can see, what we have in the instructions.md file is being displayed here. Now any user that is installing and configuring this package will know to register this middleware. So that is how to pass or display instructions or information after users might have installed and configured our Adonis.js packages.